how to make kids' fashion more sustainable. This is the question many of my clients and guests have asked. And today we are heading to Safal Kids to find out more. Hi, I'm Piret and I'm your design tour guide in Tallinn.
This brand came to life from an old idea that I had. It's now 5 years old. I wanted to give kids something better and more comfortable and well-thought designs. But since I didn't have any kids yet, so I didn't know what to wear them. So I thought that there's no point of starting a business that I don't know anything about. So this is why I waited a few years. Then I got my baby in July, and in September I started this brand. From the beginning, we have used colors that are more unisex, especially since I have 2 boys. I know that in stores you can find only like gray and black and dark blue clothes for kids. Then I wanted to give them something else. So here it is. If we are in some place where I can speak with our customers, then I usually recommend to buy 1 size bigger for start, because we have like these pants that the lower part of them is a bit more tighter, so they can wear them earlier. The pants won't go under the legs and distract them. And later, well, it depends on the kid, but usually you can wear like on your 2nd child or on your 3rd child. In our family, it has been like this. For sure, comfortable bodysuit. We have like this kind of wrap suits, so you don't have to pull them over the kid's head. And small, really nice hats, because the wind will hurt the kids, especially when they're really small ones. And really comfortable pants. I am a big calendar fan, and I've been using a calendar more than like 20 years. So this year I decided to make the best calendar for myself, actually. It helps you have a focus on the day's projects you have to do, and it helps you give focus on thankfulness.
I'm doing the right things is what it is written on the cover of the best calendar of 2022, and it can reflect of the gratitude and your to-do list at the same time. Are you curious to find out more about Safal Kids? Come and join me for design tours.